Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Oh my god, you guys! It's been long time ago. Long time no see! Oh my god, I missed you! Charot! Para naman may nanonood sa akin, pero I missed uploading vlogs on this YouTube channel. You know, it's been busy life. Char! Busy life! Oo, it's been busy life. Madaming nangyari sa buhay-buhay natin. Mga MMK ba ito, sis? Pero yun, ayun, madaming nangyari sa buhay ko. Yun. So, magkukwento na nga ako, sis, habang alam mo na, eto, gagawa na naman tayo ng makeup tutorial / life update. Ay, char! Kala mo naman talaga may nanonood sa akin. Pero kung sino mga nanonood sa akin dyan, I love you guys. All of you out there. Kahit na mga relatives ko lang or actually, di lang. Kasi it means a lot to me, you guys. People who support me all throughout my journey in life. Char! Yeah, thank you for patuloy na tumitingin ng mga stories ko, posts ko, ganyan. Mga todo support pa rin up until now. Thank you guys. I fully appreciate you and I see you. You see me. Ang saya-saya ko na ngayon. Ay! Ngayon kasi oh my god! So, eto na nga. Okay, start na tayo. So, first of all, before ang lahat, let's prime our soul. Let's prime our soul today. Using this Max Factor X. Oh my god, shout out kay Tita, oh my god, nakalimutan ko pa name niya. Tita, sorry po. Tita Casey. Oh my god, Tita Casey, shout out to you for giving me this makeup that you gave me, this branded makeup that you gave me, super helpful para sa akin, and first time ko nagkaroon ng ganito ka high-end na mga camera root na Max X Factor, and itong Fenty Beauty. Wag kayo, may Fenty Beauty na ako. Tas MAC. Tapos, meron pa akong mga dito, be. May Anastasia na ako na Orig. Oh my God. Huwag kayo. Oh. Anyway. Okay, so let's start with this Max Factor X Shine Control Primer. Because, oh my God, wait lang. Medyo, ako sis. Medyo naguguluhan pa ako kasi hindi ko pa siya masyadong nagagamit. At saka ngayon pa lang ulit ako mag-makeup ulit kasi wala lang. Hindi ko na siya feel. Hindi ko na siya masyadong feel, be. Ang mag-makeup masyado. Simula nung nag-aral na ako, parang simple look na lang. Oo, be. Nung nag-aral kasi ako this year, 2023, right? Nag-stop akong magparamdam sa social media because I was so busy at schoolworks kasi bumalik ako sa college and ayun, nag-focus ako. Tapos, naging busy sa life. Ayun, nag-focus, mag-aral, nagpaka-huwarang estudyante for once. And, actually, nagbunga naman ng aking sleepless nights and kaka-study ng bonggang-bongga kasi I got really high grades. And yeah, I was so proud of it because I've never in my life, in my college life, that I got a 98 grade. Huwag ka sa calculus. I had pretty high grades this time na bumalik ako sa college. And also pala guys, nag-shift ako. Nag-shift ako from architecture, napunta ako sa electrical engineering. 'Di ba? Layo be. Ay, hindi naman layo. Pero ayun. Ay, kasi gusto ko sana mag-civil engineering. Wala namang offered sa school na nilipatan ko. So, wala akong choice kundi mag-electrical engineering. Tapos, alam nyo ba, na, oh my God, habang nagsasalita ako, dapat na ako. So, sige, gagamitin natin itong Fenty. Kasi ngayon lang ulit ako. So, gagamitin natin itong Fenty. Fenty Beauty, what shade? Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And the shade 220. So, ayun, nagkaano siya, be? Naalog-alog siya ng bonggang-bongga, kaya nagkalat. Anyway, pero huwag ka, original yan. So, bumalik ako sa pag-aaral, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, naging busy ako. Ayaw gumana ng pump. Open na lang natin, sis. Nung bumalik ako sa pag-aaral, ay, madaming naganap din sa buhay ko. Pero, hindi masyado kasi medyo boring. Kasi nga, nag-aral lang ginawa ko. Actually, nagpakahuwarang estudyante lang ako. As in, school, bahay, ganun. As in, wala man lang akong social life. Naging total loner ako. Which is, dati naman talaga akong loner. Pero, ayun, di lang kasi talaga ako masyadong dati siguro nasa Baguio ako, yun, palagala or pero hindi pa rin naman ganun sobra, pag minsan lang ganun. So ayun, nung bumalik ako sa school, medyo boring lang din yung buhay ko. Papasok, uwi, ganun lang. Pero, in a way, nagkaroon naman ako ng new friends. And, lalo na kasi naging scholar ako, Naging scholar ako dito shout out to my school. Shout out to school ko, which is University of Cagayan Valley. Ayun, maganda naman yung school. Ayun, naging scholar ako. Scholar ako ng UCV choir. Naging very active ako sa school. Ayun, naging scholar. Tapos, I met new friends. And, bumalik yung love ko for singing. And, actually, bumalik din yung faith ko kay God. Because, dito sa part of our scholarship is every Sunday we serve at church, at the Cathedral Church. During Sundays, lumapit ulit yung loob ko kay God because of the scholarship, because of singing. Ayun. Dati hindi ako nagsisimba, girl. As in, hindi talaga. Simula nun, ayun. Simula yun, bumalik yung faith ko kay Lord. And, naging masaya naman yung buhay ko. Although, naging busy ako sa school, ganyan. Sumaya naman, sis. Tapos, parang, oh my God. Ang ayaw ko dito sa Fenty is, minsan namumuo siya. Kasi masyado siyang matte. Anyway, ayun. So, masaya naman ako nung bumalik ako sa school. Tapos, I didn't know na kaya ko palang i-push talaga yung todo ko sa math, which is I was surprised. I'm not that surprised kasi kahit naman nung nasa SLU ako, nasa Baguio ako, okay naman talaga ang mga math ko. Pero I never thought that I will have those high grades in calculus. Kasi akala ko dati lang ako sa math, and I never thought I would get a 98 grade, be. Like, it's an honor. Feel ko cum laude din ako. Oo. Pero, ayun. Ikaw kaya, be, nakaano ka. Tapos, sobrang na-appreciate ko lang. Nung pumunta ako sa engineering, nung lumipat ako sa engineering, sobrang na-appreciate ko, girl, na ang math. As in, na parang, hala, dapat pala, napapaisip nila ako, hala, dapat pala, dati palang nag-engineering na ako. Kasi, math, maganda yung, nakakasunod naman ako sa math. And, walang masyadong plates na nakaka-stress, diba? Lalo na dito sa electrical engineering, walang plates. Siguro meron sa higher years, pero walang plates. Walang plates na everyday may nakagaya ng architecture na Diyos ko, everyday drawing. And sana pala dati palang sis nag-for the go na ako sa engineering. Sa true lang dati palang sana nag-civil engineering na ako. Pero, ayun, dito tayo inano ng tadhana. Pero, kahit papano, sis, alam mo, frustrated pa rin ako kasi nga, frustrated pa rin ako na hindi ako nakabalik sa architecture. Kasi, syempre, 3 years din ako dun, sis. Tapos, ayun, it just frustrates me too that I didn't finish what I started. And, ayun, so, after nun, ayun, back to, na naman ako, this sem, nag-stop na naman ako, sis, because of financial problems. I stopped again this semester. So, ayun, balik din naman tayo sa walang ginagawa, tambay mode. Pero, actually, I'm gonna start. So, naghanap-hanap ako ng work. And, I'm gonna start on Monday. This May 20. I'm gonna start na. Actually, I landed on this call center job. So, I will try. Malay mo, dito talaga ako mag-grow. And, you know, you never know. Maybe, this is what's in the card for me. Like, it's what God wanted for me. Like, ito yung binigay sa akin ni God. Kaya, I will just have to deal with what cards I've been dealt with. And, basta ipapasa Diyos ko na lang lahat. And that's okay, right? Diba, guys? That's okay. Diba? Sometimes, blessings are in disguise. You never know na kaya ka pala nag-stop sa ganito is because God is preparing you for more. Baka bumalik ka lang sa pag-aaral because you need to like get yourself together para sa job na bibigay sa'yo ni Lord. Ganun na lang ang iniisip ko, girl, kasi I know God is looking out for me every day, and I know that there are just lessons in every step of the way, and hindi naman karera ang buhay. Kung nag-stop man ako ngayon sa pag-aaral ulit, malay mo next year baka babalik ako ulit, mga ganun ba. Kaya yeah, patience is the key to everything. And yeah, so I'm gonna use this Anastasia contour cream kit to form my contour. Hindi ko alam kung paano, be. Oh my God, I don't even know how to do makeup anymore. Kasi talagang nag-no makeup na talaga ako, sis. As in, hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na alam mag-makeup, sis. Why? Oh my God, I suck. So, alam nyo ba, guys, since nag-stop ako this sem, I've been doing my passion again. Yung what I really love, like singing, painting. Kasi, alam mo, syempre na naging busy din ako sa school. Like, wala na akong time for myself. Like, even for Quinzel, for my baby. Kasi nga naging busy ako sa school, diba? So, din ako, kumbaga, nawalan ako ng time for my passion. So, nung nag-stop ako ulit, so, nagpe-paint na ako ulit, ganun. It's so nice that I've also, kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, parang blessing in disguise din. Nag-stop muna ako kasi baka sabi ni Lord, pahinga ka muna. Try, kasi alam mo, na-stress din ako, sis. Nung nag-aral ako ulit, talagang masyado kong pinush yung bonggang-bongga yung sarili ko to the point na bumalik ulit yung bipolar ko. Kasi so sobrang stress ko, I was not taking my medications na, and yeah, I wasn't taking my medication na much. naging ano naman siya, okay naman. Bumalik nung nag-stop ulit ako, bumalik ulit akong maggamot. And oo nga pala guys, so this January, inatake na naman ako ng sakit ko. So, na-confine na naman ako. Muntik na naman akong mamatay sa kasi dahil sa nagpabaya nga ako sa health ko, ganyan. So, ayun, hinay-hinay lang guys sa mga nag-aaral dyan. Do not huwag niyo papabayaan yung health niyo. Okay? Health pa rin ang importante. Mas importante pa rin ang health kaysa sa grades. Huwag niyo masyadong i-push yung sarili niyo kagaya ng ginawa ko na ayun, nagpabaya ako nagpabaya ako sa health ko. Do not be like that. Be healthy as much as possible. So now that I stop ulit, naaalagaan ko na ulit yung sarili ko by exercising and taking my medications on time and everything. And oh my god, so eto pinakahihintay ko guys, ang sabihin sa inyo na finally I have a boyfriend. Confetti. Charot. Ayun nga. So, may boyfriend na kayo, guys. Ano ba? May boyfriend na ako. Ayun. Share ko lang. After so many years of waiting, I finally found my match. I found him and he found me. Ayun. Ang saya-saya ko lang now kasi super inspired and in love ako ngayon. Kaya I hope you guys are happy for me now that I'm getting my life together again. And ayun, wala, update ko lang kayo guys. Actually, this March lang ako nagka-boyfriend and so far, so good. Pero long distance kami because he's from Albuquerque, New Mexico. So, long distance relationship ba? And he's American and so this is my first boyfriend na hindi Pinoy. Hindi Filipino. This is my first boyfriend na foreigner. So baka alam niyo na guys, baka ito talaga ang calling ko. Char. Ito na talaga. At sana ito na nga talaga. Ito na talaga sis. Para pala talaga ako sa afam. Char. Para pala talaga ako sa, baka kaya ako walang luck sa, wala akong luck sa in finding the right guys here sa Philippines. Kasi yung match ko pala ay nasa ibang bansa. this June, we will be meeting each other, and he's gonna be coming here in the Philippines, and I'm so excited, you guys. I'm gonna be uploading more in this YouTube channel, and of course of course, kasi nga super, alam mo na, as inspired ang lola nyo, I will upload our like love story here in my YouTube channel. So stay tuned, you guys, sa mga mosang dyan. Charot. Sa mga interested sa buhay ko. Ay, wow! Akala mo naman sino kasi is. Artista ka ba? Ayun, stay tuned because I will update you guys, and when we meet, and what will happen to our meet up, our first meet. I will surely make a vlog with him. And yeah. Maybe ito yung calling namin. Malay mo maging ano din kami. Maging vloggers, couple vloggers, because that's what we're planning actually. We want to do vlogs together, and especially for him, he wanted to have like a food vlog, a YouTube channel for his food vlog, and yeah, I hope we do start doing more videos soon, and we're gonna upload it on our YouTube channels, and ipa-plug ko na lang guys pag pag may videos na kami, I will plug it and I will update you guys. So yeah, just stay tuned. So alam ko mahaba-haba na tong, sorry kung sobrang haba na tong makeup tutorial na to, pero hindi naman kasi siya totally makeup tutorial. It's more on life update, because you know, I actually want this to become parang talagang vlogging channel na siya, like hindi lang makeup ang content, but like my life in general. So yeah, I will try to upload more, especially with Quinzel na she can talk a lot na, you guys. We haven't seen her for so long, and she got really big na. She's 4 now, and madaldal na siya. I will include her in my next videos, so you can guys see how daldal she is. And yeah, siguro i-fast forward ko na lang itong mga makeup part. Tapos naman ako magdadadak-dak dito. Gusto ko lang kasi talaga super excited kasi ako mag-share. Super super excited ako mag-share sa inyo guys ng ganap ko sa live. That's why yan inspired ang lola nyo, kaya I'm sorry if I'm very madakdak today. And yeah. Super pigmented. I'm using this Sapphire Profusion Cosmetics. Ito din, bigay din to sa akin ni Tita Casey. Oh my god, shout out to you, Tita Casey. Thank you for giving me this makeup. Super excited to tell you guys everything. That's why nauna na ang dakdak before the actual makeup. Sorry guys, I cannot multitask, so yeah. Medyo nawawalan na. Gusto mo na lang simple look. Simple makeup na lang. Nothing too audacious. That's why I went with a simple smoky eye. Nobody loves me like Ayan guys, so this is the final look. I love how it turned out. So this is my simple yet elegant look. Period. So she ate and left no crumbs. I hope you enjoyed my life update / makeup tutorial. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye. Mwah.